One, two, three.
Thank you for tuning in to another JMD Janitorial tutorial. In today's video, we're going to go over conference room cleaning. How do you efficiently and effectively clean a conference room such as the size as the one that we're in now? One of the first things that we're going to do, we're going to move back the chairs. That way we have easy access to the table.
One, two, three, four. Move easy. 1, 2.
Next, what we're going to do is we're going to use our concentrated window cleaner. We're going to spray the glass table, and then we're going to use our microfiber cloth in order to wipe the table. As we wipe the glass table, we're going to go from the top of the table or the far end